Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin, no matter your budget. A lot of people think Bitcoin is only for the wealthy or that it's too expensive now to start investing, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Today we're going to talk about why you don't need to be rich to start saving in Bitcoin and how even small, consistent savings can grow into something meaningful over time. Let's get into it. So, the common misconception is that Bitcoin is too expensive. When you look at the price sitting at $94,000, it can seem completely out of reach for most people. But you don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin to get started. Bitcoin is divisible into 100 million satoshis, the smallest unit of Bitcoin, making it accessible to anyone. With just 10, 20, or even $50, you can start saving in Bitcoin today by allocating a percentage of your paycheck or your savings towards it. These small investments can grow significantly over time, and we've seen that with great historical returns over Bitcoin's history. If you were an early adopter of Bitcoin, even just small investments would have made you very wealthy today. Most people think they're too late to buy Bitcoin, or they'll say they'll wait until the price drops further, but the truth is there's no better time to start accumulating than today. We are still incredibly early to this new growing asset class. A fun fact is Bitcoin has been declared dead by mainstream media over 400 times. This website called Bitcoin Obituaries, 99bitcoins.com/Bitcoin Obituaries. You can see a lot of examples of when Bitcoin has been declared dead throughout its history, or that it's not a good time to buy. Despite these constant predictions that Bitcoin is going to drop or Bitcoin is going to fail, it keeps proving everyone wrong time and time again. Your small savings will add up over time. The power of dollar cost averaging lies in investing small, consistent amounts over time. This minimizes your risk and steadily builds wealth. Entering the market gradually and consistently puts you ahead of 99% of the world's population who don't hold any Bitcoin at all. Most people in the cryptocurrency market don't last. A lot of people gamble on speculative altcoins, chasing big short-term gains, and they end up losing everything in the process. Historically, the best performing investors are those who simply buy and hold Bitcoin over the long term. To put things into perspective, over 70% of the cryptocurrency coins that existed in 2021 are now completely dead. Meanwhile, Bitcoin remains the world's most robust and trusted digital asset out there. Bitcoin has delivered an average annual return of over 100% over the past decade, making it one of the best performing assets in history. If you save just $10 per week since 2018, your Bitcoin will be worth significantly more today, even with those market fluctuations. Most people view Bitcoin as something that you try to buy and sell to make a quick profit at the right time, but in reality, Bitcoin is the world's most robust savings account. When you start to truly understand Bitcoin, you realize the easiest way to win is to just buy and hold for the long term. Why Bitcoin's scarcity levels the playing field. Bitcoin's fixed supply of 21 million coins makes it inherently valuable. Unlike fiat currency, which the government can print endlessly, Bitcoin's scarcity ensures its value remains protected over time. If you're holding all your savings in dollars, your purchasing power is constantly going down as the government prints money. But when you hold Bitcoin, your value goes up as scarcity only increases in Bitcoin supply. Most people don't realize that not only is Bitcoin limited to 21 million coins, but millions of those coins have been lost forever due to forgotten keys or wallets. This makes the supply even smaller than most people think. By starting small today, you're already ahead of a majority of the population, as 99% of people don't own any Bitcoin. Owning Bitcoin gives you access to a global, decentralized financial network that doesn't rely on banks or governments as an intermediary, which levels the playing field for everyone involved. So, how can you get started? Just set an achievable goal, like saving $20 per week, or aiming to accumulate 1,000,000 satoshis or 0.01 Bitcoin. The key is to be consistent. Over time, these small savings will grow into something much more significant. Those who own assets will always win financially, and Bitcoin's a finite asset that you accumulate over time, not a stock that you trade and buy and sell at the perfect moment. So take comfort in knowing that your piece of this finite Bitcoin pie will retain its value over time due to Bitcoin's fixed supply and increasing demand. Here's some tools to help get you started on your Bitcoin journey. You can use the Fold app to earn cash back on everyday purchases. You can also use the Strike app, which I think is one of the easiest ways to just simply buy Bitcoin. You can use the referral link for Fold in the description, as well as Strike. You can get some reduced fees by signing up with my link, and with the Fold app, you can earn 20,000 satoshis for free when you make your first purchase with the Fold debit card. And then you can also use a Ledger wallet to protect your Bitcoin with a hardware wallet and take full control of your private keys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, you don't need to be rich to start saving with Bitcoin. Small, consistent investments make a big difference over time. If you're ready to start your Bitcoin journey, make sure you check those referral links in the description. Also, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you have questions about anything I covered today, please drop them in the comments, and I'd love to help you out. And as always, stay humble and keep stacking sats. Together, let's work, save, and Bitcoin. See you in the next video.